The first exercise for the day is rotator cuff. Benefits: strengthens your shoulder. Let's see how to do it. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, grab a pair of 2 to 4 pound dumbbell. Palms are facing up, nice tall frame and elbows bent. From here, open up and then slowly rotate back in. Working on your rotator cuff. Let's do it 10 times. Let's do it 4 more times. One more. And relax. The second exercise for the day is bicep curl plus overhead press. Benefits: builds your bicep muscle, tones the arms and strengthens the back, strengthens shoulders, helpful for holding your baby. Grab a 2 to 4 pound dumbbell. Place one weight in each hand, palms facing in. Slowly curl the weight in towards your shoulder and slowly lift it overhead and return to starting position. Make sure the movement is slow and controlled. Do not swing your arms back and forth. Do it 10 times. Remember to lift a weight that is comfortable for you. Keep breathing. And down. The next exercise is wide plie and side raise. Benefits: strengthens quadriceps, hamstrings, inner thighs, buttocks, calf and shin. Improves balance and increase circulation in the legs. Strengthens your shoulder. Stand with feet slightly wider than hips, toes turned out. Grab a pair of 2 to 4 pound dumbbell. Lift your chest, keeping your shoulders relaxed. Slowly bend your knees, keeping your feet flat on the floor, spine erect and body weight over your heels. Tailbone should point towards the floor throughout the move. Lower your torso only as far as you can do without changing the position of your back. Slowly straighten your knees, squeezing your inner thighs together, come back to starting position. Then lift the weights to the side at shoulder height to do the side raise. Elbows should not be locked. Repeat the entire cycle 10 times. Five more times. Remember not to push your knee beyond your toes at any point of time. The next exercise for today is a forward lunge with a front raise. Benefits: strengthens the thighs, hip flexors, hamstrings and gluteal muscle. It strengthens the upper arms. How to do it? Begin by standing in an upright position with your feet flat on the ground and shoulder width apart. Grab a pair of 2 to 4 pound dumbbell, holding it to the side of the body. Step forward with one leg and lower your body to 90 degrees at both knees. Don't step out too far. Keep your weight on your heels and don't allow your knees to cross the plane of your toes. At the same time, lift the weights in front of your body at shoulder height. Push up and back to starting position with arms returning to the starting position. Inhale as we step forward. Exhale as you push back up. Body weight should be placed on the front leg. Keep your back upright and abdominals pulled in. Repeat this action for 5 repetitions on one leg, then repeat it on the other leg forward. Let's do it on the other side. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Remember to take support of a chair or a wall if you need to. Let's do the stretches now. Biceps, triceps, shoulders, deltoids, back stretch, front thigh stretch or the quadriceps, hamstrings, inner thighs, and the calf stretch. For the next exercise, let's go down on the mat. It's Baddha Konasana. The benefits: this asana is very beneficial for pregnant women in easy and smooth delivery. Improves blood circulation, helps to stimulate the abdominal organs, bladder and kidneys, acts as a stress reliever, improves flexibility in the groin and in the hip region, and gives a good stretch for the inner thighs, groin and knees. Sit straight on the floor with erect spine and bend your knees by bringing feet as close as possible. Try to touch the soles of your feet together. Hold your feet tightly with your hands. Inhale deeply. While exhaling, press the thighs and knees downward towards the floor by pressing your elbows on thighs or on the knees. Keep breathing normally and start flapping like a butterfly by bringing thighs up and down slowly. You can flap it for 25 counts now. The last asana for today is Upavishta Konasana. The benefits: opens the hips and stretches the back and the thighs. Sit on your mat and separate your legs as much as you feel comfortable. Place a bolster or a stack of pillows in between your legs. This will support your torso and belly as you come forward. Inhale deeply, and on your exhale, slowly walk your hands out in front of you, bringing your torso down as far as it wants to go, supported by the pillows. Avoid placing any strain on your neck and let your head rest on your prop. And relax. Stay in this pose up to 5 minutes or whatever is comfortable for you. Well done. Hope you feel good after this workout. If you're keen, you can repeat this sequence up to thrice a day, ensuring that you keep at least an hour's gap between workout and meals. Stay happy, stay energized. Remember, healthy mother, healthy baby. Namaste.